this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see our problem is solved. But if it's not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue, again click on reset. So it just reset all settings. It's not clean or remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.